Hey, what's up, warriors? Welcome back. If you've been grinding in Ludus, you already know how valuable emeralds are. And lately, I've been seeing players talk about a fast mobile method that supposedly boosts your emerald balance using just your phone. No PC setups, no complicated downloads. At first I brushed it off. Unlimited emeralds? In a competitive strategy game? Sounded risky. But since it only takes a minute to try, I decided to test it myself and see if it actually delivers. In this video, I'll show you exactly what I did on my device, step by step, and then we'll jump back into Ludus to see the final emerald count together. If it works, this could seriously speed up your upgrades. Let's get into it. The first thing you'll need is your user ID. You can usually find it on your profile page or somewhere in the settings menu. It only took me a minute to locate mine. Once I found it, I copied it and saved it for later. This part is quick and pretty straightforward. After that, I opened a browser on my phone. I'm using Chrome, but any browser should work fine. I searched for the website that people kept talking about. When it loaded, there were no pop-ups or weird redirects. The page looked clean and normal, which I honestly wasn't expecting. After landing on the page, I used the search feature to find the Ludus Emerald Rewards section. On the next screen, I selected my device type. I'm on Android, but iOS was available too. Then I entered my player ID, quickly double-checked everything to avoid mistakes, and hit continue to move forward. Next, it asked how many resources I wanted to add. Since this was just a test, I chose the maximum amount. After confirming, a few progress bars showed up, going through different steps of the process. Everything was explained clearly, so it was easy to follow. Right before it finished, there was a short verification step. The instructions were simple and easy to understand. I already completed that part earlier, so let's jump straight to the results. To test it, I jumped back into Ludus and went straight to my emeralds balance. And yeah, the extra emeralds were already there. No restarting the app, no waiting for a refresh. It updated instantly, which honestly caught me off guard. Based on my test, everything worked just like it was explained. The steps were easy, the site worked smoothly on mobile, and the whole process was simple as long as you followed the instructions. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've already tried this yourself, drop a comment and let me know how it went. I read all of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.